Let's talk about the difference between coaching and counseling in affair recovery. In general, coaching helps you figure out who you are and what you want. And it helps you break down those most immediate next steps so you can start moving forward, so you can start making decisions, and so you can start constructing the next chapter of your life your way. And in general, therapy or counseling helps you scoop out and understand the past. It helps you understand some of those wounds, some of those triggers, some of those psychological injuries that arose in the past that are impacting the way that you show up today. I like to think about coaching and counseling as that, infinity figure 8 on its side. You need to go back and make some understanding. Then you need to lean forward and figure out what you want. You need to go back and understand some things. Then you need to move forward and figure out why you need to understand the things in the past and how to create the life that you want going forward. For more information, check out my Betrayal Recovery Guide at betrayalrecoveryguide.com. And remember to subscribe and to follow me.